Climate change is resulting in coastal wetlands being submerged in seawater. This causes them to become saltier. This process is called salinisation, which has an impact on all the animals that live there, such as the western spadefoot toad, that lives on the French Atlantic coast. This amphibian has highly absorbent skin, so if the environment becomes too salty, their skin will absorb more salt into their bodies than is needed. This excess salt has a negative effect on their survival. Their bodies have to spend a lot of energy trying to balance their salt levels, meaning they spend less energy on growing. This has meant that the toads closer to the coast, where it's more salty, are smaller than the ones far away, where it's less salty. Female toads are affected in an even greater way, as they have the extra need to mobilize large amounts of energy for reproduction. This has meant that more females can be found further away from the coast, where additionally they will find less salty ponds to lay their eggs. Larvae which develop in salty water are slow to metamorphose and mature. Toads are not very good at dispersing, which is perhaps why they don't all just leave the coast. However, there are also other benefits to living on the sand, which may outweigh the salty cost. These toads are burrowing species, which they do to seek protection against the elements. Sand is easier to dig into, especially if you are a smaller or juvenile toad, like most toads on this coast are. Although it is not known if these salty factors have an impact on their overall ability to survive, it is clear that they are responding to the salinization of their habitats. So if this is happening to these toads, what else could be happening to all the other animals along this coastline?